This is Michael Swain of 4SA to inform you that Parliament has passed the hate speech bill and has brought South Africa's democracy and the right to religious freedom to a crisis point. The bill has now been sent to the President and only awaits his signature before it is in force and enforceable. However, there is one final opportunity to make our voices of opposition to this bill heard. Section 79 of the Constitution gives the President the power and the prerogative to send the bill back to the National Assembly if he has reservations about its constitutionality, and there are plenty of solid reasons why he should do this. So, how can you help? We're asking everyone to take 2 minutes to write to the President to urge and encourage him to do the right thing and exercise his constitutional prerogative. We are asking you to value your freedoms enough to speak up again in huge numbers to persuade the President to listen to the voice of the people. This action is important because even if he does not listen and signs the bill, every letter written will add weight to any future litigation to overturn this law. It will give further evidence to prove that tens of thousands of South Africans exhausted every avenue and opportunity for meaningful public participation, which the government unlawfully ignored and marginalised. Make no mistake, our fundamental freedom to express our faith, our views and our beliefs is literally hanging in the balance. If the bill is signed into law by the President, it will be easier for you to be convicted and sent to jail for up to 5 years than to be made to pay a fine or make an apology if you face civil litigation under the Equality Act. It is bizarre and deeply concerning that a bill that criminalises hate speech fails to define the meaning of hate itself. The hate speech bill is so open-ended that it makes it a crime to say something that causes someone to experience substantial emotional or social harm. It is therefore constitutionally flawed at the most basic level. Over 250,000 people have already made submissions to propose amendments during the 5-year public participation process. None of this was granted. Ultimately, the only amendment Parliament made was to increase the original 3-year prison sentence to 5 years. Cold comfort indeed. The jail door can open simply for speech that someone may hate. Today, we are at a crossroads. Whether this bill becomes law and is enforced by the full criminal apparatus of the state now depends upon a single stroke of the pen of the President. However, he does not have to sign this bill, so we need to raise our voices again in unison and appeal to him to exercise his prerogative to refer it back to Parliament. To join the Dear Mr. President campaign and to make your voice heard, go to the forsa.org.za website and click on the link, and then take 2 minutes to take a stand for faith and freedom. Thank you.
Good day, this is Daniela Ellerbeck, the Legal Advisor to Freedom of Religion South Africa. Remember to like and share this video and then click on the subscribe button to make sure you never miss our video updates on vital religious freedom issues.